Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see that how to sort a list. Suppose you have a list of items and those are not in sorted order. So if you want to perform the sorting, so there are two ways to do the sorting onto the list in Python. One is the built-in method that is sorted itself, and you will pass your list that you want to sort. The working mechanism of sorted is that it will sort the list and it will return a new sorted result. It will always return a new sorted list as a result. Let's see with the output that what is the output after applying the sorting method. So this is my sorted result here. So you can see we are getting the sorted list as the result. Remember this one that this will return a new list. Always it will return a new list and your original list will remain unchanged. And if you want to sort your list in descending order, so there is one attribute in sorted method that is called reverse. Make it as true. So your result will be in descending order. It will be in sorted order, but in descending order. Another method that you can use for sorting of your list, that is your list method, that is called sort method. So let's use the sort method instead of the sorted. So my list dot sort. Okay, so the working mechanism of this sort method is, since we are calling this sort method by using the my list object itself, so it will sort this list itself. Okay, it will not create a new result. And now we will see that sorted result within the same and original list. Look at this. Similarly, if you want that it should be in reverse order, so you can pass the attribute as reverse as true, so it will sort in descending order. Okay, simple. So this is the way that we can sort a list into the Python. Okay, so that's all for this video.